Hi everybody, today we're going to be showing you how we make mini pizzas. These are awesome because they're very easy to take with you wherever you are, just for a little snack during the day. It's kind of weird to pull out a whole pizza slice, so these make it so that you seem normal and you can taste pizza, so yes. First we're going to start off with the sauce, and we're going to put boiling water, onion, tomato paste, and a couple seasonings like salt, pepper, garlic powder, basil, and oregano, I think is how you say it. Let that sit on low for a little bit, and then we're going to move on to our dough. So I believe this is cotton dough, once again. My mom uses this in a lot of her, not pastries, but the dishes that involve a dough because it's very nice and airy and not heavy. So you can check out our separate video on just this dough if you want to eat the bread by itself. But yeah, this is how we make it here. And then after you mix the dough, make sure to set it aside to proof at 100 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour and allow it to rise. Then you can start splitting it into several different sections so that you can have each of your little balls for your pizza. And if you want your pizza to be bigger, cut less pieces out of each of the 4 doughs. And if you want your pizzas to be smaller, then cut more than my mom did. Then yeah, you're gonna roll out each individual pizza using olive oil to make sure your surface isn't sticky, nor allow it to stick to your rolling pin. Then you're going to take the pizza sauce you just had made and just scoop a little bit on top of them. And then you can move on to any seasonings of your choice, but we like to add bell pepper, olives, corn, which is funny because I think so every single time I tell someone that I eat corn with my pizza, they think it's really weird, but I think this is like a secret thing that no one has tried yet, but it's gonna become the next big thing. So like broccoli on pizza, it's actually corn on pizza. So you should try that out. And then obviously add cheese. That's, I think, the main ingredient. And then look how nice they came out. Super fluffy pizzas and so good. See, my dad, he's like, damn, that's like really good. And we went to the beach and we enjoyed these there as well. So it was super good and we all had it. Look how many we're taking at a time, like 10 at a time. Shove it in my mouth. Super great. But that's it. Happy pizzaing. Bye bye.